Your Soul Buddy Petit speaks through nature constantly. Trees, animals, weather, all carrying messages. Nature isn't separate from spirituality, it's Petit's primary channel. That bird appearing repeatedly? Petit's message. Sudden breeze? When you ask the question, your answer. Indigenous cultures knew this. Modern life made us forget. Petit uses Earth's elements. Pure, unfiltered communication. Trees ground you, water cleanses, fire transforms, air clarifies. Each element holds wisdom. When you disconnect from nature, you disconnect from Petit's clearest voice. Nature remembers your soul blueprint. Petit reconnects you through natural wisdom. Follow Petit for daily cosmic messages. If this resonated, Petit sees your like as a soul high five.